Well, welcome to Cancun, where the local time is 2:15. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. And before leaving us today, please check your seat pocket. Under the seat in front of you and in the other compartments for any items that may otherwise be left behind. We do get lots of purses, wallets and Kindles left behind, so please check you have all your belongings with you. Please take care when opening your other compartments to ensure nothing falls out as it may have moved in flight, and any lost property will be handed to the airport team here in Cancun. If you're given additional seat belts or life jacket, please leave these on the aisle seats as you leave the aeroplane. Those customers have requested assistance, please remain seated until all the customers have disembarked and will be able to assist you further. Please have your passports and relevant completed documentation ready for the immigration authorities, and as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, including electronic cigarettes. Once the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will take a few moments to focus on carrying out their safety duties. We'll then come back and give you further information on which doors you'll leave the aircraft from. We'll have a fantastic time here in Cancun, and we look forward to seeing you on your return flight home. And thank you for flying TUI Airways, and a very good afternoon to you all. Once the airport steps have been in place, we'll be inviting our premium club passengers to disembark first. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've made use of any pillows or blankets, please leave these on the seats as you get off. Our premium club passengers, please leave your headphones on the seat with you. Also, your economy club, please take your headphones with you as you will not receive any new ones on the return flight home. So please take your